Alright, hi everyone, this is Dr. Sapneil from Sapneil Tutoring. Today from my desk we're going to be talking about letters of recommendation and how to navigate them and what's the power of a recommendation and how to best prepare for them. So, you want to give your recommendation writer a good amount of time before you ask for a letter of recommendation. So it's really critical that you give them a good amount of notice. They're going to have a bunch of students that are going to be doing the same thing. Possibly they recommend a student counselor and maybe 2 teachers required to finish these letters recommendation for you. Early planning and timely information is really important, as mentioned before. So these are some steps just to keep in mind. So choose your recommenders wisely. Select the right candidates that you think will write the best, most genuine recommendation letter for yourself. Emphasize some of your academic strengths, your core subjects, your academic journey. So keep that in mind when you're choosing your recommendation writer. Core subjects are really important because it really highlights competency, maybe your approach to problem solving that kind of goes in cohesion when you're writing your whole application. Number 3 is look at people that are going to probably provide some type of personalization to that recommendation. That's really important. Maybe a possible way for them to write a letter for you that really identifies something that's unique to the characteristic that you have, as well as the approach as to why they wrote that recommendation letter for you. Number 4 is give as much information you can to the person that's writing your letter recommendation. Maybe a CV or an outline of some important contributions that you've made in the past 4 years. Something that guides them to see you not only as a candidate or a student that they know from a personal perspective and also an academic perspective, but really gives them a whole comprehensive outlook for you. So be organized in when you give them information about yourself. Number 5 is make sure that you're punctual. Deadlines do matter. Giving them enough time to write it. Don't give it to them the night before it's due. You're not going to get the best letter that's written out of that. It'll be a canned recommendation letter as well. Make sure you express appreciation, show gratitude, maybe send them a thank you note, a gift certificate if that's something that you're able to do, or something just nice, a nice gesture to show them that you're appreciative of them writing a letter of recommendation that's ultimately going to hopefully lead to an acceptance to university for yourself. Ultimately, these are very important, starting at the high school level, graduate school, for future work references, just getting under the anticipation why it's important to have a good letter of recommendation, why it's really important to keep your contacts and your relationships really important. Don't burn any bridges, obviously. That will come back to really haunt you. So ultimately, these are just good habits to have when you're writing a letter of recommendation, but ultimately as you carry them forward through your academic career and also your professional career if you decide to choose to go down that path. Once again, we'd love to help you navigate this process. Our number can be found below, as well as our contact information. Don't hesitate to reach out to us. We hope to help you achieve your academic goals. Thank you and have a great day.